Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Redmi Note 13, and in this video I am going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just click on the settings. Right here we have to click on the Wi-Fi, and then we have to choose the network that we want to connect to. For example, this one. Now we have to type in password. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!